So here we go. Quick tip, pouring a gallon of paint. Got my cup pot, it's nice and clean. Got a brush, 501 tool, screwdriver, rag. It's a little damp, just in case something happens or a spill. So I'm gonna open the gallon. Here we go, I'm gonna set this lid off to the side. I always like to pour off the back. You can get the information on the back of the label from anywhere. Online, they've got the product data sheets, things like that. So you don't necessarily need that information. It's, you know, you're able to get it off of another gallon or online. Pour on the front. Now you can't see exactly what it is, or you're gonna spill over the sheen, and then you don't know in the future. So I always pour off the back of the can. When I do, I'm gonna lift it up, set my 501 down, put my brush in one hand, gallon in the other. I'm holding onto the handle, and then I put my back hand on the back side. So then when I tip and pour, I'm tipping quickly, and then I have control of it. And I'm only gonna pour out what I need, and I'm gonna go pretty quick, and then do a little shake at the end. So here we go. So there we go, we got a little bit of a drip. It's gonna happen, that's normal. Then you take your clean brush and you clean everything out. As much out of the little drip edges as you can. Clean this. It's relatively clean. I got the paint that I need in here. And I'm gonna use this brush anyways, so I'm able to get that wet, set it off to the side. And if I really wanted to, just to keep things clean, you got the wet rag here or a damp rag, you can wipe this off if you want, or not. I'm gonna do it real quick. This is the first pour out of this gallon. It doesn't take much to keep it clean. There you go. Put the lid back on. I always like to push it back on completely. Some guys will just lay it on top, but I prefer to close everything up tight, prevent accidents. So there you go. This I pour a gallon of paint without all those gimmicky tools, pour spouts, things like that, that just make a mess and are another thing to clean.